you love me. Tell me I'm your baby and you'll never put no one above me. We can get on from the bed to the floor, to the kitchen, to the dining room table. I heard you.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Ebony Alexis, and I'm back again with another video. So today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to apply a wig in a quick and easy way. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. So what y'all want to do is get a cap like this. This one is like a tannish stocking cap, and I have it all the way around. My hair is a little wet so you can see, but so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on. You could braid your hair back. Right now I just have mine slicked back until I get it braided. And so what you're gonna do is, when you're putting on your wig, you want to make sure the color is matching your skin tone. So what I do is I take just a little bit of like makeup concealer, and I rub a little bit here, and I go like this and just kind of get it all over in the middle here. And I'll show you guys, it'll look better when I put on the wig. So next thing you're gonna do is, I have my Got To Be glue, and this is the spray. So I feel like it works better for me. I haven't really tried the glue, I think maybe once, but this works better for me. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to spray just a little bit. And really just like on this edge here. And I'm kind of look in the mirror so I can see a little bit better. So I just sprayed like from basically from here to there. I'm gonna spray just a little bit more. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Hold on one second. And what you're looking for is to make sure it gets like sticky. And I don't really do it for long, because I'll just go ahead and put my wig on and then put the blow dryer on again. So this is she. Let me see. And I'll tag in the description where I get this wig from. So, all right. So it's nice and snug. And I like to pull a little bit of my baby hairs out. And you can see, so this is a closure wig. I have my baby hairs out a little bit. I'm not really gonna be able to pull this wig back, but I mean it's good for right now. So, ooh, looking nice. Okay. So you guys can see, you know, what lace, what closure. So yeah. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my comb and take my blow dryer again, and I'm gonna just press down and make sure it's tight. All right. So yeah, so if you guys, if you guys don't already know, this is a closure wig. A closure wig is basically you have the closure here in the middle, and you have basically a stocking cap. And so I have a closure, and I think 2 or 3, I think 3 bundles. And the hair, the bundles are glued onto the stocking cap. So the closures here, and then you have your bundles. So that's why you're not able to really, like a full lace, you're not able to really, pull it up and stuff, which is okay because it's just something quick and easy to just throw on. So yeah, so let me go ahead and do my baby hairs. All right, y'all, so we're gonna hook up these edges. So I got my Eco Styler. This is the argan oil, which I like this one very much. I got my handy dandy toothbrush. All right. And I really just have hair like right here, so I really don't do much. Let me just pull that this side. Yeah, that's cute. I actually think I like it all going to this side. Get some more. All right, so here we go. And that is it. It's pretty simple. I mean, that's just the easiest way to do it. So yeah, I mean, I usually take my wigs off like sometimes the same day. Sometimes I'll take it off like in 2 days. Just because I put the glue on and I don't want to like keep taking it on and off. But it is good to take it off because like for me, I've realized that like it can, like the cap can like pull off. So to me, like people don't think that it can like damage your hair, but to me, if the cap is being pulled off, like I feel like it can damage your hair, and I feel like it can pull your hair out as it's coming off. So that's why I say to take it out maybe every 2 days. The first day, like I said, is going to usually stay on. It's not going to really come off. You would just make sure you tie it down really tight at night, and in the morning you should be good. I have way more videos coming very soon, so please you guys stay tuned, and again hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.